Hi guys, welcome back. You say it.
मैं हूँ श्रुति.
Now, Joe.
ये Joe.
Have we been missing Joke? Hey, we have, right? I think
Honest
it
to God
was.
truth, yes.
So I thought since we heard Anjum after so long with agency, pull up on you like agency. I thought
Yeah,
let's
yeah. हाँ.
let's get back to an Anjum and Joke track. It also has JJ47. Highly requested. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's called
This
Zarurat.
is and this is part of an album, or is it a new album starting, or is it a single? What is the scene?
I think single ऐसे ही drop किया था December 28, 2019. So it's
अच्छा
over.
अच्छा. Okay,
Uh,
okay. I
it's
thought
like
recently
a
added.
year and a half old, and
Right.
it was just highly requested after we this one heard Iltija, no, Joke his solo. People were like,
Oh,
you must,
nice.
yeah, because they're saying कि जोखे का बहुत ही बेहतरीन गाना है ये. So
Chalo, let's get to it. I
let's
am
do it.
ready.
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play. Interesting artwork.
मुझ में तू और मैं तुझ में रहूं सदा जिंदा पर तुझे ही ये क्यों ना दिखता हाल दिल जो है लिखा All I need is you right now Need you right now Need you right now तू मुझसे दूर ना जा दूर ना जा दूर ना जा बैठा हूँ ताना तेरे बारे में सोच रहा एक्सेस बैगेज में तेरे लिए बोझ था जो कि मेरा नाम मैं सकूं खोज रहा जैसे धूप से छाँव का पता पूछ रहा So lost खो चुका कब का कोई ढूंढे तो माने मैं एक पहेली कोई बूझे तो जाने पत्थर दिल रखती तुम ना समझोगी ये बातें अब भी जरूरत से जरूरत मैं तेरी जरूरत अब नहीं तुम अंधेरी राह मंजिल मेरी दूर अभी बोर्ड लिटिल मोर नहीं चाहता टूटे सुरूर अभी तब भी तुमको चाहा दिल से ना की अपनी मर्जी जानते हुए कि ये सब तेरे लिए है फर्जी दुनिया है फानी कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा इधर पढ़े ना तुझ पे कहर बस यही रहती फिकर गिरता पड़ता वहीं छोड़ गई तुझे दर मेरे दर पे आके देख कितने हैं कितने हैं
अंधेरा कमरे में कमरा बंद दो जख्म बैठा पर लग रही ठंड मैं मजलूम और खुद ही मैं खुद पे जालिम खुद को दो फतवे जैसे मैं ठहरा आलिम छोड़ देश धर्म जात वात फिरका बैठ बात कर लगा अपना जिरगा बस मेरा बस रहा ही ना बस में सुलझा इसे दर्द बना सर का वो भी हल्की दिल का ये हल्का सब बिखरा जो मामला था कल का कहे लोग लगे रोग उससे दिल के और किस्सा वही बुरा बन बैठा लड़का गाने लिखो तुझ पे तो लगे मुकालमा तुझे तब भी था डर अभी है तो आजमा बेफिक्री में कहती कुछ हुआ ही नहीं तुझे पता नहीं क्या कुत्ती चीजें खारमा तुम अरूज मेरा तुम ही गरूब हो जिस्म जैसे सर्द और तुम सर्दियों की धूप हो तुम खूब हो हूर का कोई रूप हो साहिल बड़ा दूर और जा रहा डूब ओ कैसे झूठ सारे तुमने दिए जहर भरे घूंट सारे चल ढूंढ सारे जितने भी गिरे आंखों से बूंद सारे You gotta wait for it तेरे बस की ना You're wrong girl वरना तरसती ना
समझोगे मुझको मैं नहीं समझ
साथी तो थे लेकिन हम कितने दूर से, अंधेरा दोस्त और हम डरते रहे नूर से, दिले मजबूर मुखातिब दिले मगरूर से, तुझ पे लिखे कितने गाने तुझे पता ही नहीं, मैं दगादार एतबार अब कोई बचा ही नहीं, ये अच्छा नहीं कि हम दोनों मिलते ही नहीं, मुरझाए फूल बेहतर है कभी खिलते ही नहीं, नहीं नहीं तू वो नहीं जो मैंने तुझे समझा था, नहीं 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 अब मैं वो नहीं जो तेरे पीछे मरता था, हाँ मुझ में ईगो बहुत बोलो किस में नहीं है, इधर वो भी चौड़े में घूमते जो कुछ भी नहीं है, पर कुछ भी कर लूं तेरी नजर में वो कुछ भी नहीं है, जैसा मुझे बनाना चाहती वैसी वो खुद भी नहीं है, जितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस मुझसे वो लगाए बैठी, उतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस अपने आप से मुझे नहीं है, I made that love song और उसमें कहा था कि रहेगी मेरी जगह मखसूस तेरे दिल में, अब याद करूं तो this one bar fucking kills me, नशे में धुत होके दुनिया से लाइल्मी, लिखता डीप वो कहते कि ये लड़का फिल्मी, come see me when I'm fucked up, that's the real me, hey.
That's such mixed emotions right now, ना मुझे खुद में ही confusions हो रहे हैं अभी. Firstly, तो my favorite part of the entire song was the last few lines. I was trying. See, it's a given that they know how they know how to make music. Okay, they have been studs through and through all their musical journey. At least all the songs that we have seen, right? And I am a fan. Having said that, I couldn't find a connect with this song. Not just because of the words. See, words were written very well because they know how to write. Uski koi do raha hai hi nahi. They know how to write. So then where does it come to? While I was very appreciative about the way they were writing, I just couldn't find a connect to what they were talking about. And it's not that I haven't been through that or I don't understand that journey. I do. Maybe I'm just not in that space in my head, in my life right now. So in the way it was being spoken, I couldn't find that connect. But then the last few lines when they came, the last 4 lines to be precise, last 5 lines, there I had an immediate connect. And that reaction also came out. But also right in the beginning, you know that underlay music, the pee, 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 which was in 3 zones, I just couldn't, it was throwing me off completely. Because it was just sounding very jarring. It was, to me, it was sounding like someone's very dukh bhari ek awaaz nikalti hai na. So it was a very like a very painful scream. So I was, although it wasn't that, but I was I was perceiving it as that. So the moment that happened, immediate disconnect happened for me. Then I kept trying to force myself. How can I not feel this connection? No, you must listen to the song more focusly. I kept trying to do that. Lekin nahi hua. Sirf end mein 4-5 lines.
That's okay.
But how did you feel?
The song had its moments for me. I'm just a fan of Jokhe's voice. I think we know this by now. I'm a fan whenever he sings and whenever he does his guitaring, the guitar solo in this. Oh, but let me just from the start, let me go through how I felt. It was just the music started and then it started with his sort of, you can call it a verse because actually he was singing plus rhyming and all of that. So there was a line that I loved, जैसे धूप से छाँव का पता पूछ रहा था, something like that. So there were some really intense lines there which made me smile and made me think I like what he's saying. It's like he's saying I was like this when I was in love with you or when we were together, and he's just kind of relating that whole experience and that journey. And he's in pain. He's the takeaway from it at the end is that he's still in pain and he's still kind of in that lamentful zone. And then JJ's verse kicked in. JJ has his own very unique flow and his voice is so distinct and all of that. I didn't connect very hard with his verse and his lines. But it didn't lose me. Even in his portion, which wasn't my favorite part of it, it didn't lose me. It was still going with the beat and it was still like he was saying his journey, and I was getting it. I was getting what he's feeling. And then my favorite part was this bit, the bridge where Jokhe then comes in and starts singing, and I loved the lines that were going on there. I was really in at that point, and then when he left it on that last line, which was "Baitha hu socho mein, rab kismat bhi kya likhta." सोचूं बैठा हूँ सोचूं मैं रब किस्मत भी क्या लिखता, and then it went straight into the riffs, the guitar riffs, and then the solo began there. It just flowed so beautifully into that solo
Yeah.
with those lines. I loved it. And then, of course, Anjum comes in with his voice. I'm already dying. But no, so then Anjum comes in and he goes, the part that you related to or connected with the most, his lines were actually the most hard hitting in terms of being real. You know, they weren't angry also, but they weren't happy also, but they were just like, they were just real. It was very like, अब मैं वो नहीं जो तेरे पीछे मरता था, which made me smile. So he's moved now beyond, and he can
Yeah.
step back and he can analyze how he was when he was with this person, and the things he feel happened in that relationship. He can step
Yeah.
away from it and look at it from an objective
Correct.
point of view. So then when he goes into हाँ मुझ में ईगो बहुत, बोलो किसमें नहीं है, इधर वो भी चौड़े में घूमते जो कुछ भी नहीं है, पर कुछ भी कर लूं मैं तेरी नजर में कुछ भी नहीं है, जैसे मुझे बनाना चाहती वैसी वो खुद भी नहीं है. So he's just like,
Amazing.
अब मैं ये सब देख सकता हूँ, after stepping away from this and
Correct.
detaching
Correct.
from it. So जितनी
हाँ.
expectations मुझसे वो लगाए बैठी, उतनी expectations अपने आप से मुझे नहीं है. I made that love song और उसमें कहा था कि रहे मेरी जगह मखसूस तेरे दिल में, अब याद करूं तो this one bar kills me. नशे में धुत होके दुनिया से ला इल्मी, लिखता डीप वो कहते कि ये लड़का फिल्मी, come see me when I'm that's the real me. So I'm not filmy. This is the real me. And I'm feeling all these things. And I'm writing them. So yeah, the last, like for me, it was the bridge, the guitar solo, and then Anjum's
Yeah.
lines that
In the end.
that worked. Oh, so much talent. How to, and so consistently. I can't. You guys are right. So I know you didn't connect with this, and that's absolutely fine because you have to be in a certain place sometimes, and maybe if you come back to this later in some years or months, maybe you'll connect with it a little more than today. That's totally cool. So I don't think people
Yeah.
should.
For me, see, I know that if I connected with the last verse, then
Yeah.
ऐसा तो नहीं है that I'm not connecting with their music. And I have complete appreciation for what was being said and how it was being said. And the lyricism, as always, like, we've
Yeah.
always said that they are complete poets, like hardcore. तो वो जो लिखते हैं, उनको लिखना आता है. तो वो कुछ भी बात बोलेंगे ना, वो बहुत beautifully उसे express करके बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
लेकिन हाँ, like, there were certain musical elements that this, that. So end, if I connected to, I don't think if I ever listen to this again, maybe this is just not my type. And also maybe what was happening was, I was like, they're not sounding like themselves. And I was like, Arey, but it is them. So just focus and listen to what is going on. So yeah, something was off. And I guess you're right. Maybe at some point when I revisit, I will refine the connect or not.
No,
by
and
then
I'm glad that we're having different reactions to the same song.
Yeah.
Because it's very important even for the viewers to get that. Just because somebody doesn't connect with a song that you have a deep connect with, doesn't mean the song it doesn't speak any less of the song. So you shouldn't take it personally
Oh,
because a lot
never.
of people do. It doesn't.
Yeah.
It
And if you
doesn't
take it
mean that
personally
at all.
today, grow and learn.
Yeah.
Learn that everyone can have different opinions. You have to
Yeah.
let people be, because that's how people will let you be.
Yeah.
Because remember, इसमें line भी आई थी that karma is watching. If you're going to be rude to people, someday when you need kindness, somebody will come be rude to you. So you be nice.
Yeah, totally. Because I noticed, I'm just saying this because I noticed that, even when I don't connect with a song or both of us together don't connect with a song, and it's happened in earlier
People
reactions,
get,
people get very touchy about it in the comments, and I'm like, why? Your personal connect with any work of art is your personal connect. You don't have to, उसको दूसरों पे हावी करने के लिए तो थोड़ी जी रहे हैं हम सब. It's like you feel what you feel, I feel what I feel. बस वही है. And I see because I'll give an example. The film Tamasha, very big example in my life because I personally love that film, and from day one, it just took me in a very different. It hit me in a very different emotional way. Nobody else at the time loved that film. Nobody. 90% of the people who saw it, yeah, 9 out of 10 of my friends hated it. They were like, "Ye kya ho raha hai?" And now those same people have gone back to it years later, and they're like, "Damn, this movie is actually a masterpiece." So big learning for me in that sense.
That film was,
yeah,
ahead of its
oh, I'm glad we are on high five.
Yeah, always.
But this is what I mean when it comes to any work of art, whether it's a film or a song or anything. you can connect with it at a different point in life in a different
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
So it's all good. It's all good. So on that note, I want to hear more of Jokhe's older stuff. I feel so. If you guys have recommendations, DM me because I love it when he gets behind the mic, you know, and on the guitar for sure. Especially after Iltija, and now this one, the guitar solo in this. Oof. Okay, let's just head out now. Bahut bol liya.
All right. All
We'll
right.
see you in the next one. Live long.
Bye.